activity? Yes. So let's start the activity. And our activity is we will do magic painting. Yes, we will do magic painting. We will do painting and there is a magic in our painting. Are you excited? What is a magic painting? So I am going to tell you. And what are the things that you require for magic painting? You require a A4 size paper and you require a pencil and you require a white color crayon, a piece of cotton and a bowl of diluted color. Okay, a bowl of diluted color. What is diluted color? You have to take very little amount of color and you have to mix a large amount of water with this color. So you make the diluted color. So now we will start our magic painting. Okay, so let's start. Okay children, so this is our paper and I am going to draw something on this paper. Okay, I am going to draw something on this paper. Okay, and you have to draw like this with the help of your pencil. Okay, I am drawing it. I will not tell you what I am drawing. That is the magic. Okay. Okay, so now I am drawing lightly. Okay, drawing lightly. So now I have drawn my drawing on this paper. Now what I will do, I will take this white color crayon and I will color it. Okay, and I will color it. I will rub it. Color it deeply. Okay, rub it and color it. Rub it and color it. Okay, color it deeply children. I am telling you again and again, color it very deeply. What you have drawn, okay, what you have drawn, you have to color only that thing. Okay, you have to color only that thing with the white color crayon. Okay, you have to color only that thing. Okay, and be careful in coloring. Do not color the outside. Okay, do not color the outside of your drawing and color it deeply. Okay, so now I have finished coloring with wax color. Okay, with crayon, and now I will use this piece of cotton. I will use this piece of cotton and I will dip into the diluted color. I will dip it into the diluted color. It will take some time to soak the color. Okay, so now our cotton has soaked the color. Now what we will do? We will simply pass the color over the paper. Okay, look how I am doing. We have to do it like this. Wow, children, look. Now we will do it like this. And we will rub the color like this using the piece of cotton. And look children, magic happens. Wow! So beautiful! Is it looking beautiful? Yes, it is looking very beautiful. And children, germination of plant. What we are going to learn? We are going to learn about germination of seeds. Germination of seeds. Okay children, do you know the life of a plant starts with a seed? Look, I have seeds. I have seeds. These are some seeds. Look, these are some seeds. And the life of a plant starts with seeds. The life of a plant starts with these seeds. And what is germination? Germination is a process in which a seeds becomes a new baby plant. Germination is a process in which these seeds will become into a new small baby plant. This process is called germination. So what is the germination? Germination is a process in which these seeds will become into a small baby plant. So we will do an experiment on seed germination. Okay. So first of all, what we will do? We will dig the soil. We have soil. Look children, we have soil in this tray. We have soil. We have soil in this tray, and what we will do? We will use this spade. We will use this spade to dig the soil. We will dig the soil. So what we are doing? We are digging the soil with the help of this spade. With the help of this spade. Okay. So now we are digging the soil. Okay. Now what will we do, children? Now we will use this garden fork. What is this? This is garden fork. We will use this garden fork to make line. Okay. Now we use this garden fork to make lines on the soil. Okay. So now I am making lines on the soil. Okay. So now our soil is ready to sow the seeds. Now our soil is ready to sow seeds. Okay, now what will we do? We will take these seeds and we will sow it into the soil. So I am sowing these seeds in the soil. Okay, and do not put large amount of seeds. Okay, do not put large amount of seeds. Put small amount. Okay, put one, then one in line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in line. Okay, don't make it too clumsy because plant need space to grow. So put the seeds in line in some distance. Okay, maintain the distance. So now we saw the seeds, and now what will we do? We cover these seeds with the soil. We cover these seeds with the soil. Okay, we use our hand, or you can use the spade too, but using your hand is best. So we are using our hand to sow the soil. The seed will remain inside the soil. The seeds will remain inside the soil. Okay, let me sow the seeds. Let me sow the seeds. Your seeds will not be visible. Okay, your seeds will not be visible. Okay, so our seeds are not visible. Okay, they are gone inside the soil. So now what will you do? You will use this water sprinkler and sprinkle some amount of water in this soil. Okay, now we will sprinkle some amount of water over the soil. require to grow. And what are the conditions? Do you know what are the conditions that seed require to germinate? The first condition is moisture. The seed needs water. The seed needs water to germinate. And the second condition is the seed needs nutrient rich soil. Okay, the seed needs the soil. So we have soil. We also put water in this soil, and the seed needs warmth and sunlight. The seed needs warmth and sunlight. So what will we do? We keep this tray outside. We will keep this tray outside where for that the sunlight falls on this tray. And we also need a good quality of seed. So these are some conditions that seed requires to germinate. And do you know, when seed gets all these conditions, the seed start to grow. The seed start to grow. So children, now we will look how the seed will germinate. Okay. So children, after some days, look, the baby plant grows from our seeds. Look, some small baby plants. So small they are. And so this baby plants grows from the seeds that we sowed in the soil. Okay children, do you know, when you sow the seeds in the soil, which part grows first? Which part of the plant grows first? The root grows first. Then the baby plant comes out from the soil. And these are our baby plant. Okay children, so now we have done an experiment on seed germination. So we have done our experiment on seed germination. And look, these are our small baby plants. These are our small baby plant that came out from the seed that we sowed in the soil. Okay children, so the baby plant grows outside the soil and there are roots inside the soil. But you can't see the root because they are inside the soil. We only see the plant. Okay, we only see the baby plant of the plant. So we see the leaf, and when the plant will grow, it will give us flower, it will give us fruit. So now these are small baby plant. Okay children, so now we have learned about germination of